Hello everyone, I'm Anna Haddock and I thought I'd show you how I make my false typewriter keys. Like that. What you need is some rubber stamps. Some people can print them. I have an inkjet printer, so I can't really use it because the inks run when you put your glossy accents on, which is what you need to make them nice and shiny. I use rubber stamps. These ones I've had a long while. They come out quite nice, and they come out like the black ones. Oh, whatever colour you wish, really. These little ones, I've had a while. You can get these ones almost anywhere. They come out quite cheap. This little box was £1, and they come out like on the Love on this one. But these ones at the moment are my favourite, and these ones come from Lidl's. I bought these on Friday, and you get a full set of an alphabet with 2 little stamp pads as well. So you need your rubber stamps. I use Stays On ink and Distress ink. You also need a 1/2 inch hole punch and some little curtain rings. These are little brass curtain rings. They're 15mm or 3/4 of an inch. I've had these a long while, but you can still buy them on eBay, so they are still about. Okay, so, and of course you need glossy accents. I'll leave mine upside down for the moment. Okay, so I'll show you how I do them. I've got a piece of card here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some Distress ink. This is tea dye, and I'm just going to smudge it all over it. Make it look a bit old and distressed. Now I have a stamp here that will make like a marble effect, so you get some sort of places that are dirty, but you don't need that. You can use a bit of cling film or wrap and just go over it. You don't want anything too uniform. And then you have a piece like that that's nice and not dirty looking really. Next thing to do is to stamp. And I have started to do the word dream, and I'm 2 letters short. So I'm going to use my E. And M. That one I've pressed a bit hard. That's not going to look very nice, so I'm going to do that again. That's better. And I'll do a couple of the black ones. Right. Go with my name. Hey. 2 A's. And 2 N's. That one's a bit worn looking. Doesn't matter. They're old typewriter keys. So. Next thing to do is to get your hole punch and use it upside down and cut your letters out. Whoops, pick it up off the floor. And these round ones are slightly smaller, but it doesn't matter because the ring will cover it. Just line it up. I think I'm probably going to have to cut that. So I can get in there. There you go. So I've got the E. I'll leave the other A and N there for now. I mean, you can get what I'm doing. Now on this piece of card here, I have stuck a piece of parchment paper just to stop them in case they stick. They don't generally, but it's just a precaution really. And I'm going to lay my letters down. See, I've got D, R and A there, so I want the E and the M. And now you take your little curtain rings and place them over your letters. I suppose if you hadn't got a hole punch, you could just stick them on the card, put them on the card and cut them out carefully afterwards, especially if you've got a pair of curved scissors. That would make it really easy. Sorry if you can't see a lot, I'm just trying to line these rings up over the letters. There you are. And that's ready now. Now I'm going to use my glossy accents. And I've had it upside down, so that should come out easy enough. And just fill in inside the ring. Now, the thing with glossy accents is you can make them sort of so that they really dome up, or just put enough in to cover it. There you go. No bubbles today. So, but if you get a bubble, you just get a little pin and prick it, and that comes nice and clear. Now you have to leave them overnight, and try not to touch them or mess around with them, and they will go crystal clear, and you will have your false typewriter keys, and you can stick them on your projects. You can make your name, whatever words you like. Thank you for watching.